Welcome guys to my channel, and in this video we'll be seeing how we can install the Python into our Windows system. So if we quickly check the version that we have with the command python minus minus version, we can see that it's not installed in our system. So to install it, you have to go to the Google and just type Python. You have to click here, and then you can go to the downloads, scroll down and select any Python version that you want to install. I'll select 3.11.7. Scroll down, and yeah, here you can see the different options that you can download from. My system is 64-bit, so I'll be downloading it. It's downloaded, and then I just click on it and then hit run. Make sure to check this box to add the Python onto your path, and then just hit install. Let's wait for it to get installed now. Now that the installation is complete, we can close down this window. Now we have to check that Python is installed in our system or not. Now we have to open the terminal again. Now if we check the version now here again with the command python minus minus version, we can see that Python version has been listed. So this is how you can install Python on to the Windows. So if you want to know how we can install it in Linux, I have another video posted in my channel. You can get the reference from there. I'll also try to add some links so that you can go from here only. Thank you so much for watching the video.